Hello, YouTube. Just wanted to give you all a quick update announcement once again. This is October 6th. You're seeing this video on October 6th, so happy October 6th. A major update I want to tell you is about Animal Kingdom, and I didn't get around to this for a while, but an opening date was announced a while ago for the show that's going to replace It's Tough to Be a Bug in the Discovery Island section of Animal Kingdom within the Tree of Life. Zootopia, Better Together. It is officially going to open on November 7th, 2025. So, when it opens, you'll get to see the show. I'll record the first time when I go in, sit all the way in the back, and then after that, I won't record anymore. It'll be there for probably a very long time, so... Yeah, for over 30 years, Tough to Be a Bug took the show space. Now it's going to be this new show, so I'm really excited. I don't know what the storyline's going to be about. I don't know what's going to happen. I better just get ready and enjoy it. It sort of stinks we couldn't get a full Zootopia section like in Shanghai Disneyland, but this park is going in a different direction, so I guess it makes sense. I do look forward to seeing what they're going to do with it. I look forward to knowing what's going to happen. And I wonder what special effects they're going to use. I just hope I don't have those stingers in the back when you used to get stung with the hornets in Tough to Be a Bug when Hopper would attack you. Yeah, that was intense back in the day. I do not know how I dealt with it. I was scared when I was a kid. I always would have to bend over like this, bend forward, so it wouldn't get me after that. I am just not really a fan of it, and I just don't like it. So, yeah, I never liked it that much, but... Oh, it's actually called Zootopia, Better Zoogether. Okay. But yeah, I cannot wait to see the show for you guys. I know it's probably going to get packed on my first day, so I'll probably need to get Lightning Lane for it. Because it's going to be big deal. But honestly, I'm just looking forward to it at this point. I'm just going to go, see it, and have a good time. Thank you all so much for watching, everyone. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified of my latest videos. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure you comment and share, and you like and share, and get people to enjoy it. And I will see you all in the next video. So, goodbye.